Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Akshat and I'm from Vizag. So today in this video we will learn about how to install Python. So the Python installation process. So let us go to the Google and search Python download. So after clicking on Python download, you will be having download Python, python.org. Click on this. Then you will be having download Python 3.12.3. So you can have Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and other. So based upon your Windows or your system, your operating system is Linux, you can choose Linux. Or if your system is Mac, you can choose Mac. So because of mine is Windows, so I'm clicking on Windows. So here you will be having different types of installer. So Windows 7. So we'll be having different types of. So you can install anything. I'll choose this in download button. So I'll click on this thing. It is internet download. So when I click on internet start download, it will be downloaded. So do you want to create? Yes. So it is downloaded. So this is the software. So when you click on this, you will be having install Python 3.12.3, and you will be having install now and custom installation. And you have to click on the add python.exe to the path and click on custom installation, and you'll be having documentation, pip, idle, test suite. All these things will be features of this software. So the idle we will run the programs. So I hope you understand. This is the PyLauncher. Use program features to remove PyLauncher. Install standard library substitute and pip, which can download and install other Python packages. So all these things are necessary. Click on next, and here you can see the install Python 3.12 for all users. So you have to click on it. So in C, program files Python. So you can change by using browse. So based upon your uh, folder structure, like you want to store in desktop, you can store in the desktop. You can store in nothing, but you can store in any files. So you can choose your own path. So I want this path, and I'll click on install. And you'll be having, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. This, then it will be initializing. So the installation process will take time. So the installation is taking. See here, it's downloading the test suite documentation and TDTK support. So all these things will be downloaded. If bootstrap. So these are all the features of the Python. So it is a 64-bit. So it's downloading. So it's pre-compiling standard library. So the after installation, you can see setup is successful. And new to Python, you will be having all in tutorial and documentation. So you can check the documentation and you can start coding in Python. So I can close this thing and open command prompt CMD and click on Python space -f version. See, Python is installed and we are having version 3.12.3. And if you click on Python, then the Python will be started. You can write the code. So instead of writing code here, we can have idle. So we can open this idle and we can write programs here. So we can write here the program and it will be printed. So I'll write I am Iron Man. See, you can print the output. And you can go here and create a new file. And here you can write a is equal to 10, b is equal to 30, c is equal to 45, and you can write d is equal to a into b into c by 2. And I will print d. So you can click on file and save as I will save on desktop, multiply dot py. So we have to save the file by extension dot py, and I will save this file and I will run the program. So it's a 6750.0. The output is 6750.0. So this is how we can install the Python software, and with the use of idle, we can execute the programs. So I hope you understand how to install the Python software and run a basic program. So in the next video, we'll learn about basic fundamentals of Python. So what are the features are there and how can we execute those things in Python, we'll see. So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video, and please ring the bell icon, and only you'll get the notification whenever I upload in the YouTube. I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. And before that, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.